5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Away with you now, sir. And 5 left, go 100 to hug 3 left. Hug 3 left. And 5 right, then over crest. And 5 left, and then caution, 3 right, tightens to 2 right over gravel. 3 tightens to 2 over gravel. Bad gravel as well then. Bridge, then in short, 3 right over gravel. 40, late 2 left here over gravel. And a 4 right, then don't cut. 4 right, don't cut, 40. 5 right, and then 40, late 2 right after the gate over gravel. Late 2 right gate, gravel. 80, turn 3 left bail and inside over gravel. 3 left bail and inside over gravel. And very long 4 left in, and then 6 right, and 5 right past the sign. 80, and then Care, late 4 right, carry, hugging it, sorry. Care, late 4 right, hug, and then hug 4 left.
Car's all over this.
4 left, and 6 right then. And 5 left, only 80 down to late, 2 right past the house. 2 right here, past the lane, sorry. And long 4 left. And tight 4 right minus, tight 4 right minus. 40, 5 left. 80, it's a braking slow, 5 right, and then sudden 2 left. Sudden 2 left. 130 up the middle. And a very late 2 right after the junction. 2 right, very late after the junction. And a 2 left in, don't cut. 2 left, don't cut. And a 5 right in. And crest 4 right, slippy, 80 then. 4 right, slippy, 80. Jump, 3 left in after it. You have a 3 left here. And then a 3 right, tightens to 2 right over the crest. 60, 2 left, 2 left, and 6 right over crest. 60 down to 5 left, open to 6 left, and then caution 4 right over crest. You know it, caution 4 right here over crest, don't cut. 60, 6 left over crest, and a short 4 right, and then a 4 left. 40 tight, 4 left over crest, 40, and a 4 right in. 80 to a late 3 left, don't cut. Late 3 left, don't cut. 100 chicane right entry. But just feels funny. 4 bails, 4 bails. And caution then, 5 right over crest. And 4 left bail and inside, watch it through the bump. And 5 left in, 40. And very long, 5 right, times to 4 right, go out and come in it. Times to 4, 40. And a caution slow, 5 left, a sudden 2 right going down. And long 5 left, Eddie, go 100. And a 5 right, and a 5 left. And a Care, long 5 right over crest, and 4 left, and nips through the bridge. 4 left, and nips through the bridge. 60, Jesus. All right, 40, 60, Care, 4 right, and a late 3 right, don't cut, late 3 right, don't cut. And 5 left, 80, 4 left, and 60, slow 5 left, only 40 to 2 left, past the sign, past the junction, slippy, 2 left, 100 up. And long 4 right over crest, do not cut. 4 right over crest, don't cut. And 5 left in, and 5 right, and crest 6 right, 60 to slow, 6 right over crest, braking, tight 3 left in over gravel. Tight 3 left in over gravel, 40, gravel out from here. 5 left and Care, 5 right into 3 right. Care, 5 right into 3 right, watch it. 60, long 4 right, and then a caution, long 5 right. Caution, long 5 right to 2 left knees. 2 left knees. And go over a bridge, 6 left and 40 up to 2 right. 2 right here. And 45 left, and a long 5 right over gravel, watch the gravel, and a 5 left, 40, Care, 4 right over gravel, very bad, 6 left in, 60, 5 right over crest, low, 6 left into a short 3 right, short 3 right, and a 4 right in after it, 4 right in, 60, cut 4 left, and 6 right, and cut 5 left, 100, slow, 5 left over crest to a short 3 right, 3 right, and a 5 left in, and a very long 5 right, nips through the lane, and long 4 left in over crest, a sudden 3 right, and then chicane, right entry, 2 bails, 40, Care, long 5 left, and crest in, and we've a 3 right after it, go on 3 right here, 60, tight 4 left, 150, and crest in, 2 right gravel at the post, very gravelly here, 2, yeah, 100 after it, hug, fast 4 left, don't cut, and gravel all the way up here, stay right on crest, and then 4 left in, 60, crest 100 to chicane right entry, 3 bails, 80 out of it, Come in. And flat crest. And 5 right, go 150. To chicane, right entry, 4 bales. Gravel on it, into the junk, into it. And turn 3 left in. Over crest, bale inside, outside, gravel. 60. 5 right, 40 to 5 left. And a long fast 4 left in over crest. And then a 4 right going up. 80, tight 4 left, don't cut, and caution. Crest jump, watch 2 right, very late going down. So watch this, 2 right going down, very rough. 40 over bump, 80. And 5 left, 80. And fast 3 right up, it's a 4 right over the bridge. And then slow, 4 left, to square right around the bales, do not rise. Don't rise them. 40, jump, and fast 3 left after it over gravel, mind the gravel. 60, and caution, 5 right nips over crest, and then a 5 left. Come in. 40, care, line 4 left here. 80 down, 5 right over crest, 80, and then 4 left past the wall. 60 to late 4 right minus after on gravel. So late 4 right minus over gravel. And stay right then and crest jump. Caution, slow 4 left into a long 2 right narrows. 2 right narrows. And a 2 left don't cut. Come in, 2 left don't cut. 80 through the bridge. And then 2 left again, Eddie. 2 left. And a very long 5 right. Continues to 100 and ties to 3 right at the big tree. Ties to 3 right at the big tree. And then turn square right, don't cut under the bridge. And hairpin left in. Hairpin left by. Come in. 100. And 5 left, go 100. And caution then 2 left and 2 right under the bridge. Get her stopped for it. Caution 2 left, 2 right under the bridge. Get her stopped. And go over the finish then, boy. Come in. That's her. 6:55.